Hey guys, it's SD here. Solid state thing's been driving me nuts. So what I did, I took one of the spools here. I took a regular old bobbin that I had here that I used to wind all my coils on. I put 375 turns on it. Then I took what was left on one of the spools, I wrapped them together and put them on this spool. So it's 375 turns. That's pretty close to 100 feet of wire. This would be the start run and end run on there. This would be the this would be a start trigger and start run, and then the on the other ones would be the end trigger and end run. Now what I did here, since you have to reverse the start and end trigger, I just went ahead and swapped them out here. But this would be the start run that comes up here, goes from my little jumper back to the switch. That switch goes over to the negative on the primary battery right there. The which would be the end trigger, comes straight off of the little jumper here and comes down to the 100 ohm resistor before the pot. I'm using a 2K pot. Now the other, this would be the end run. The end run comes up and goes over to the negative of the charge battery here. Charge battery sitting at 1206. Okay, so we've got this all wired up like that way, and again, now we don't have another wire coming off the way it shows in Doug's drawing there. I don't know what's up, why this is working, but he had, let me get these little clips like he's got, and we had the strand of the magnet wire coming into that clip plus this and running back into the coils there, and this would run up to the charge battery. I don't have the magnet wire going straight there. This is just like the trigger circuit here and the initial run coil. Coming off of the emitter straight over to this trigger, and every time I click this switch, just watch the results here. See if I can do this and hold the camera. The primary run battery is at 1250, and we're at 1204 here on the battery to take the charge. Okay, there it goes. It jumps right to 1215, 1216, and it's booking. 1246 on the main run battery. Again, I have no other wire coming off the end of the 5408. It's just coming, the 5408 is coming straight off the collector, and all I've got is a bifilar wound there, and they're not twisted, and there's the results. Okay, I tried to hook up the new meter to measure the frequency. I think I blew the fuse on it, so I'm going to jump into the instruction booklet on it and see what size fuse. I think it's a 5 amp. I might have one of those around here. Anyway, it seems to be working. If I had the frequency meter on there, I could tell for sure. But this is staying pretty much, went down to 1244. And this is coming up. So I guess it's self-oscillating. I got no wheel here to spin. That's sitting over on the other side. Like I say, it's been driving me batty. Couldn't figure out why I couldn't get this to self-oscillate. So basically here on the little notes that I've taken here, start trigger actually went to the emitter. End trigger goes to the 100 ohm resistor. Start run, it goes to the negative on the primary battery, and the end run goes to the negative of the charge battery. And then off the 1N 5408, that goes to the charge battery. Okay, and I guess the next little step I'll try to do is to take off the old circuitry I had there and add in another coil and try to use the original coil wrap there. Add a transistor and see if I can get it all to put out together. But I figured you guys might want to see this. Doesn't seem like it's wired the same way, but I'm getting some sort of result. It looks like it's charging the battery up. All this is, again, is just one transistor. Got the pot. Running a bifilar coil I made. Air coil. Alright, so let's post this on the forum so you guys can help me out here. Alright, we'll see you. It's late Friday night.